Let's go, let's make some hot dogs. Make it rain. The Cubs follow me. But I like, want to be like Benihana's. And just like Chicago style with a little spice. Hola familia, Busy Mommy here, and we're back. And I am here with a special edition of 50 States of Food, Chicago edition. Well, okay, states, Illinois, but when you think about Illinois, you think corn and Chicago. When you think Chicago, you think hot dog. And I can't help but be super excited today because the Cubs follow me, and it made me really excited. And so I had to do a Chicago style hot dog, and I had to do a ballpark dog for you today. Now, what is a Chicago style hot dog? First, you need your Vienna beef franks. Those are the ones sold in Wrigley Field. You're going to need tomatoes, diced onion, relish, pickled spears, sport peppers, which you can see here, which I love to take a bite of and squirt like the actual juice inside, a poppy seed steamed bun, and mustard. We can't forget the ketchup though. You gotta, just kidding. How dare you? There is no ketchup on a Chicago style hot dog. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the celery salt. Another thing that needs to be added. Now, if you look at this and you think to yourself, man, Chicago, they are extra. I mean, their deep dish pizza, their hot dogs have so much stuff on it. Yes, we are extra. To that I will say, I am what I am. And I'm proud to be from Chi-Town, baby. So let's make ourselves a Chicago style hot dog. Obviously, it's better on the griddle. You can make these at home. You can steam them. You can boil them, whatever you want. I like my hot dogs on the griddle. First thing I'm gonna do is get my Blackstone nice and hot. As you can see, it's hot and I'm getting sweaty, probably because it's hot outside. And you know, also I'm really excited because I get to go to a Cubs game soon. I'm gonna slice my hot dog in half. This is not something that is, you know, done at the park typically, but I like to slice it in half because I like to get that caramelization on the inside of the hot dog. I'm gonna go ahead and lay those down. I'm gonna actually have to make a couple. Something about the Vienna hot dogs, the all beef franks, that are just like next level. All right, so the next thing that you know about when you go to the park, and one of my favorite things about getting a hot dog at the park, is the grilled onions. They have grilled onions that you can put on your hot dog. I prefer grilled onions to raw onions, but we're gonna do two versions of the dog. We're gonna do one with the grilled onions and one with the regular onions. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my onions on the griddle. I'm gonna throw my handy Tonys on it because a little Cajun never hurt anybody. Every time I have one of these, I don't know about you guys, but I like want to be like Benihana's and just like, okay, that's enough of that. You need to calm it down, relax. All right, I'm gonna put these to the side because I want these to kind of be low and slow versus the hot dogs that I want to get a nice little sear on. All right, let's push down on these hot dogs. I did not steam the bun. I need more buns. Poppy seed are just superior to any other bun, so I'm just saying. Put the buns on here. I'm gonna put them on this side for a second, and then I'm gonna move them to the other side to make it not so hot so quickly. So we're gonna go ahead and flip these hot dogs. Come see. Got one. Look at that. Look at that color. That's what you want to see. Flip these buns on this side. We got a little bit of color on them. Love it. Onions are looking great. These are basically done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my plate, put my bun. We're gonna get our hot dog that, if you look, the other side is nice and done as well. Put it on here. Now let's dress it the Chicago way. Ready? We're gonna put our tomatoes right at the edge right here. We're gonna put some diced onion, and we're gonna get a spoon. We're gonna get our relish. We're gonna add our sport peppers. I like to put it all the way across so you get one in every bite. And then you take your pickle spear, okay, and then you're gonna put your mustard on. And then I'm gonna put some celery salt right here. Ready? Little celery salt on top. Make it rain. Now to this hot dog, I'm gonna add my grilled onions because I know I said I would make another one, but I just wanna put it all on top. Like, look at that. Cubs, I give you permission to call this the Busy Mommy hot dog with the grilled onions on top. Chicago style with a little spice. I mean, come on, that's me. Oh, before I say anything, you guys have to like, follow, and subscribe. Look, I need you guys to go ahead and click and comment below how you like your hot dog. Have you tried this way to eat a hot dog? Is it your favorite way? Now, I did tell you I like to do this. That was the sport pepper. If you don't sing Take Me Out to the Ball Game after eating this hot dog, you don't have a heart. You ready? Sing it with me. Take me out to the ball game. Just kidding. Just get to the part that goes, and it's root for the Cubbies. If they don't win, it's a shame. All right, y'all, I gotta go. I gotta eat this hot dog. Love y'all. Cubs, I'll see you at the game. Bye. Yeah. We're done. Cut it. It's a wrap.